will see another problem, which is related to the hexagonal prism. Okay, solid is hexagonal prism. Hexagonal prism. Note down the problem. A hexagonal prism of side 30 mm, an hexagonal prism of base side 30 mm, axis height 60 mm, axis height 60 mm, lies in the horizontal plane, on one of its rectangular face. Base side 30 mm, axis height 60 mm. It rests on the horizontal plane on one of its rectangular face. Right. And the axis makes an angle of 30 degrees, with the vertical plane. Draw the projections. Okay, draw the projections. Now observe the given data. Geometric parameters are side 30, axis 60. Okay, these are some. Lies in the HP on its rectangular face. This is one thing. And the second one is axis is inclined at 30 degrees to VP. These are the conditions given. Now imagine respective position. This is the hexagonal prism. It lies in the HP, one of its rectangular face. That means on lateral surface, it is a rectangle, right? Now, the axis of the solid makes an angle of 30 degrees with the VP, right? This is the position, okay? In this position, we cannot see either in the VP or in the front view or in the top view, it's true dimensions, okay? Then we need to consider axis inclined to VP, put axis is perpendicular to VP. Okay, if it is perpendicular to VP, now we can see true dimensions of hand face and we can see the top view also. Okay, we are true axis length in the top view. Okay, first we need to draw the front view in this position. Okay, this is the simple position, right? After that, you can consider the axis inclination in the top view. Okay, after that project it. It will give the respective front and top views, right? Now we will draw the respective projections. This is XY reference line. Okay. It lies in the HP on its rectangular face. Once it is lies in the HP on its rectangular face, that face projection is coincides with the reference line and it is inclined with VP, then we put perpendicular to VP. Okay, therefore a hexagon we need to draw by considering 30 mm. 120 degrees angle and 120 degrees angle, right? And this is 30 mm, this is also 30 mm, right? And from here 120, from here it is 120, right? Obviously this will be 30, okay? Therefore, this is the simple position front view. Let it be A, B, C, D, E and F. This is the front view now. We need to put dashes. Now we need to put 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash. I think you know this other face, other invisible face, right? Now project it downwards. Okay, and this length is axis length is equal to 60 mm. Okay, let it be 60. And the end face distance from the VP it is not given. You can consider randomly and you can draw the line. And axis height equal to 60 mm. You can consider 60 mm and draw it. Okay. Now, this edge is visible, this edge also visible, this edge visible, okay, and this edge visible, right, and give the numbering. This is 1, 2, 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Right? Actually, this is A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, and F. Right? Now, 2B is invisible. 1A is invisible, but on 2B, 4D is overlapped. 1A, E5E is overlapped. That is the reason this figure is obtained like this. And you need to project the axis also by taking angular bisectors or by drawing a line in between opposite vertices. You can identify the respective center here and project it downwards. Okay, this is the axis, therefore long line, dot, long line, dot, long line, dot, long line. Okay, likewise you need to show. Okay, simple position, front and top views, that is over. Now, this axis is inclined with VP 30 degrees. Right, and if it is inclined with VP 30 degrees, first we need to consider an inclined line at an angle of 30 degrees. Let it be 30 degrees. Okay, now we need to rotate it. This 30 degrees inclination with VP, true inclination is visible in the top view. Right, now we need to construct the same. Here also this length. Okay, first you need to draw a perpendicular line to this, and this length we need to mark here, and this length we need to mark here, right, and here to here, 2, 4, and here to here, 1, 5. Okay. And all these lines are parallel to axis, and this axis length equal to 50 mm, right? Therefore, draw parallel lines. Okay, and this is the axis length, up to this 50, we need to draw the other face. Okay. Now darken the visible faces or visible edges. This is visible edge. This is also visible edge. And this is axis. This is visible edge. This is visible edge. Right. Okay. Now give the numbering as usual. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next this is A, comma E, B, comma D. This is C and this is F. Okay? Notation we given. After that, project it upwards. Okay, one face is projected. Now other face. This is axis. Right. He projected everything. Right. Now from the front view, project it. Okay. Now that this projection is there. Now we need to identify respective edges and which edges are visible, which edges are invisible. Okay, first give the notation. Okay, we start from 1. This is 1 and here also this is 1. This is 1, 1 dash. This is 2. This is 2. This is 2, 1 dash. This is 3 and this is from 3. This is 3, 1 dash. Right? This is 4 and this is 4. This is 4, 1 dash. This is 5. This is 5. This is 5, 1 dash. Right? And the 6. This is 6. This is 6, 1 dash. Okay, na? Right. Now come to this face. From A. This is A, 1 dash. A, 1 dash. This is B. This is B, 1 dash. This is C, 1 dash. This is D, 1 dash. This one E, 1 dash. This one F, 1 dash. Okay. All the notations of the vertex that is given. Now you need to identify the visible edge and invisible edge. Okay. This is our viewing direction. This is our viewing direction. Right. Now we can follow thumb rule first. Okay. The first one. Darken the outer profile. Okay. This is the outer profile. I darken. Now what is our viewing direction? This one. That means this face is clearly visible. Therefore, AB, BC, CD, EF and AF face. That is visible, drawn. Next one. The edges in between observer and the axis, those are visible. That means A1 A1 already over, A5 already over, 6F is visible, therefore 6 to F it is visible. 6F is visible, 6F visible, right. Next one, come for the invisible edges. Okay, 3C is invisible, 3C, okay, but up to here it is overlapped and this portion is dotted. Okay, next one, what about 3 to 4, 3 dash 4 dash, invisible, therefore this is invisible, and here also 3 to 2 invisible, it is invisible, right. Is there any 4D invisible and 2B invisible? Where is 2B? This is 2B, but due to overlapping it is continuous. 4D, due to overlapping it is continuous, right. This is the required front view and this is required top view.